Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for a cage for your small animal? Well, look no further. This one by Tresbro has satisfied my sweet bunny, and she has given it her stamp of approval. This is their 12 panels with a roof, and I really like how easy it was to put together. I appreciate that it's thickened PVC and waterproof on the inside with thickened corners and fantastic stitching. It's also got some scratch resistant material, so my sweet bunny can enjoy this for a long time with 3 reinforcements so that it is sturdy, and it's also roomy for her as well. I like the size of it. She can bounce around and play and get in a little exercise while she's in her home and in her environment. It's 48 inches by 24 inches and 16 inches tall. It also has a customizable roof. These transparent panels, you can take them off or you can kind of open half of them, really make it what you need. The fence as well, I appreciate, is only 0.7 inches distance, so her feet, her paws don't get stuck in them. And the door opens up nice and wide for her and is so easy to use and open and is a lot easier than the other cages that we've used in the past. So this is perfect for a playpen, bringing her outdoors, moving it around, and really hitting all the marks when it comes to keeping our bunny happy and satisfied in a beautiful environment with a shaded roof that we can open or close, and everything about it has been a true joy to have. We love it, but that's just our point of view.